We got some snow, man. Everything is frozen. But I got some goodies for the Jaguar here that I ordered on Amazon. We got paddle shifters extension. Got some extension for the paddles. Make this build a little more interesting. I like these paddle shifter on the car, but as you can see, they are small and you can barely see them. So I am going to be installing the paddle shifter right now. Alright guys, there you have it. Take a look at that. Sheesh. I don't know, it just makes the steering wheel look a little more better. And the clicks are definitely satisfying. I don't know. It's in my blood, man. It's in my blood. It's in my blood to modify cars, man. I don't know. I don't think I'll ever get a car that I can't modify. But anyway, there you have it. Let me show you guys the back side of it. Let's focus on that. This is what it looks like. Now they're mounted. They come with some 3M tape that goes inside of the extension that sticks onto the actual paddles, and they come with these little screws that you have to screw in with a tiny little Allen key right here. They do come with extra. Pretty simple to install, but let me just back up a little bit, show you guys. This is what they look like, and not bad. It is brick outside right now, man. It is so cold, but this looks amazing. Let's start the car. Let's see how. Sheesh. Starting up the Jaguar in this -3-degree weather. It's not -3, but look at what it says right there. Yeah, it's cold. It's really cold. What? Who's playing that ratchet music? That's not me. All right, so it says coolant level. That's gonna go away in a second here. I do need to get a gallon of coolant to add to this, but man, that looks amazing. And then I take a look at that, and I rethink it. Go back to where you belong. Okay, like I said, I will have to replace this headliner if I do keep this car. Headliner, see? Coolant level warning goes away right away. We do have coolant, but sometimes, well, I need to add coolant because the last time all I had was like a little quarter of coolant after replacing the tank because a lot of it spilled out. But, well, the next thing that we're going to do is install some aftermarket cold air intake and tubing. So that's going to be in like the next couple of days, sometime this week. So it is the second week of January, so I don't know how long that's going to take, but the estimated delivery is around, sometime this week. Definitely sometime this week. So I'm just gonna put all of this into one video instead of just doing one separate video. Should I do that? Nah. You know what? I'm gonna end this video right here, and in the next video, guys, I will be showing you guys how to well, not how to, but I will be showing you guys the install of the cold air intake. Now this comes from a company called Mina Gallery. They sell aftermarket parts for Jaguars, like European vehicles. I think they do more than just European vehicles, but they're called Mina Gallery. They sell aftermarket parts, pulleys and tunes and stuff like that for these cars. So if you're interested, check out Mina Gallery. This is not a sponsor, but you know, just telling you guys this is where I got my stuff from. So in the next video, I will be installing the new intake, no more stock. And then after that, I will be going down to pulleys, upgrading the supercharger pulley, the crank pulley, and the other stuff. So stay tuned. I got more stuff coming for the Jaguar. Unless it sells before then oh well. But as long as I keep this car and I have money to modify it, I will modify it. All right, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little clip. I will catch you guys in the next video. Nobody's famous. Peace out.